Hey fam, so I recently purchased this tea tree oil from the brand Now Foods. Now I bought this oil because I'm currently having a hard time with my dandruff, and so I will be incorporating this in my regimen going forward. So before I share with you how I use this amazing oil in my regimen, I'd like to share with you why tea tree oil is beneficial to use on natural hair. And so here is my mini video on it. Tea tree oil is a very potent oil that has many medicinal benefits because of its antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. However, it is meant to be mixed with a carrier oil and used topically. It is also an ingredient used in products such as massage oils, shampoos, and shower gel. Now, when it comes to the benefits of tea tree oil, I would say that this oil, because of its moisturizing and antifungal properties, makes it very effective at alleviating some of the causes of dandruff. Now, according to research, tea tree oil may be effective at reducing dandruff, particularly if it's caused by overabundance of a yeast-like fungus. So essentially, tea tree oil helps to reduce yeast overgrowth on the scalp, reduces itches and other dandruff symptoms. In terms of how to use this, now there are a number of ways that you can use tea tree oil, especially to treat dandruff. And this include like purchasing a shampoo that has tea tree oil in it as part of its formulation. You can also add tea tree oil, I mean the essential oil, to your current shampoo, and then you massage it on your scalp when you are doing your shampoo. You can also mix tea tree oil with other carrier oils like olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, and then you apply that to your scalp as well. So here is my DIY scalp treatment anti-dandruff product that I did, and I wanted to show with you how it is. So in my next video, I will be sharing how I use this in my regimen as well as the ingredients I use to prepare this anti-dandruff scalp treatment. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you love this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And I hope that you tune into the channel next week, same time, for more amazing content as this. Thank you so much once again, and do have a great day. Bye.